Attach the loop of the lift cable to the button on the bottom bracket of the door. Next, we will start tensioning the springs. When the spring is under tension, make sure you keep your head below the track, as the springs are dangerous when fully or partially tensioned. Before we start, make sure the door is locked. Then wind the worm drive on the black housing with a standard 3/16" drill, using the 1/4 inch hex driver provided. Make sure the 1/4 inch hex driver is inserted completely into the worm drive. Check that the drill is set to operate in a clockwise direction to tension the spring. Using the drill, go ahead and start winding both springs until the black bushing installed on the flange of the sheave forks covers the red marks on the safety cables. Next, unlock the door and carefully raise the door about halfway open. Note that since this is the first time that the door is being opened, and if the tracks are not correctly aligned or the rear track hangers are not strong enough, the door may fall. So make sure to proceed slowly and carefully. Check to be sure that the horizontal tracks are parallel with each side of the door, and make sure that the gap between the edge of the door and the track does not exceed 1/2 inch. If adjustment of the rear track hangers is necessary, lower the door first and remove all tension from both springs. The springs may need more or less tension to correctly balance the door weight. A properly balanced door takes an equal amount of force to lift the door as it does to lower the door. If the door wants to fall closed, more spring tension is required. Increase tension on the springs only a few inches at a time, and then recheck the balance. If the door wants to lift itself open, less spring tension is required. Adjust both springs equally for proper operation. Next, raise the door to a full open position and recheck to be sure that the horizontal tracks are parallel with the edges of the door. Congratulations! You're done.